Unlike many other safaris in India, the Ranakpur Leopard Safari begins at around 5 pm in the evening. However, being a private safari, it's totally flexible. The safari experts advise to go a little late as the leopard sighting chances are better in the evening.
ये लाम मोटी ब्लॉक है तो यहाँ पे कई बार जैसे हम लोग ये हर एक लोगों को थोड़ा पता है कि यहाँ पैंतर है। हम जैसे कि कितनी 7-8 साल से घूम रहे हैं, हमारे इस एरिया बारे में पूरा पता है कि यहाँ पे पैंतर। हम रोज एवरीडे एरिया चेक करते हैं, एवरीडे मॉर्निंग में आते हैं, इवनिंग में आते हैं, फिक्स हमारा काम है। बुकिंग होती है तो आते, नहीं होती तो आते हैं। इसके 10 किलोमीटर पे गौशाला बनी हुई है। जैसे मॉर्निंग में गाय खुलते ना, बाहर आती ना, तो बाहर आते तो लेपर्ड ज़्यादा बच्चों को मारने की कोशिश करता है और बच्चे को मार देता है, गाय के बच्चे। अभी 10 एक दिन पहले इधर ये पोल दिखा ना, इधर किल किया था। अच्छा।
What he was telling us was that this area we were patrolling is not the core area, but since they are locals and have been doing the safari for more than 8 years now, they know some key spots where the leopards come sometimes. He says even if there is no safari booking, they still come and check this area because it's closer to their village. The reason why this part of the village is prominent leopard spot is because there is a cow shed in this area. The leopards come here looking to hunt cow calves. Stay with us as later in the video we will show you a leopard hunting a young cow. As we moved towards the water body to look for crocodiles, we saw a herd of sheep peacefully grazing. Do you know that some sheep are gay? Watch our video to learn more such facts about a sheep. Unlike other tiger and leopard reserves in India, Ranakpur does not have a lot of flora and fauna. The major tourist attraction here is the leopard, hyena and crocodiles. You will not find a single deer species here. Although there are more than 20 crocodiles in this water, the lake looked extremely silent. Our driver told us that they have seen a crocodile hunt a sheep right at this spot. Next, we decided to go up the hill to get a better view of the area. The benefit of standing on one of these hills is that through your binoculars, you get a good view of the nearby hills. If there is any leopard movement detected anywhere, you can directly go in that direction. Around 50 kilometers from Ranakpur are the Javai Hills, which are comparatively more famous for leopard sighting than Ranakpur. However, recently Rajasthan Forest Department has initiated the process to upgrade the Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary into another tiger reserve. If things go well, we can expect tigers near this area by 2021. With the growing cases of territorial fights among tigers of Ranthambore, Sariska and other national parks, this sounds like a positive step. The locals believe that tourism will see a surge once the biggest cat in the world comes to their land. By the way, Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary is adjacent to Ranakpur Hills. You see these villagers? They move fearlessly through these hills, carrying out their farming activities. Per the local experts, villagers and leopards have learned to live in harmony over the past 150 years. They respect each other's space and do not intend to harm each other. Right when we started getting impatient to see a leopard, our driver saw something on one of the hills nearby. Nothing was visible through our naked eyes, so we went up the hill to check. a big, dominant male leopard. It seemed from his face scars that he recently got into a territorial fight with another leopard. Nevertheless, the scars made him look even more ferocious. As he went to the other side of the hill, we decided to check other villages. You can see how steep these hills are, but the drivers are experts with years of driving experience on such terrains. Now this was a magical moment because this had never happened to us earlier. An Indian star tortoise. These poor creatures are endangered because of their popularity in the exotic pet trade, so we let him be and moved forward. Throughout the safari, our driver kept talking to the locals as they are the ones who see the leopard more than anybody else.
जगह ये तो बड़ा सुबह बड़ा बड़ा आज माता जी था माता जी था फोटो खींच रहे कोई ये उनको क्या पूरे दिन घूमते रहते हैं उनको पता ही रहता है देखिए भी अगर सीधा काल देखो ना
वो नहीं आज भी शायद मारने के नहीं आए
हाँ तो गंदा क्या दिन होते
शायद मुंह से मारा था
मजा आता ना और सीधा तीन शायद और देखिए
The locals told us that there was a leopard on the prowl for the past 2 nights, so they were all gathering their cattle to the other side of the village. While they went left, away from the leopard, we happily took the right, towards the leopard. Now let's get ready for the moment you all saw on the thumbnail of this video. Live leopard hunt. This cow must be no less than 250 kgs, almost 3 times the weight of the leopard. And yet, look how easily he is dragging her away using his powerful jaws. The cow was still struggling, and you can imagine the thrill by our camera footage shaking. He grabbed her by the neck until she was choked to death. Although extremely powerful and agile, only 2 out of 5 leopard hunts are successful. This was Ranakpur Leopard Safari for you, an underexplored treasure of wilderness in India. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do tell us in comments what are your views about the animal-human conflict in areas like these. After our safari, we interviewed our safari guide. He was kind enough to share his experiences with us. Subscribe to our channel now and watch out for the full chit-chat session in our upcoming videos. Till then, keep discovering Wild Paws.